Over this past year, it's safe to say that millions of people across the globe have learned far more about personal protective equipment than they intended. It's a reality of how deeply and broadly protective gloves have an impact on frontline workers and our personal daily lives. At SHOWA, developing innovative, high-quality gloves has always been at our core mission. It's in our DNA, so to speak. Organisations collectively lose thousands of days away from work each year due to employee injuries such as chemical burns and corrosions. As chemical usage grows across the globe, so have the risks to the workplace and the workforces. That is why I'm excited to share that SHOWA have combined our unparalleled expertise in chemistry and chemical resistance together with top-of-the-line glove manufacturing processes to launch the industry's first complete and comprehensive chemical protection platform, Chemrest. For us, Chemrest isn't just a product, it's a turnkey chemical protection platform built on three core pillars: educate, evaluate and equip, each designed to protect against chemical hazards. Chemrest is an achievement made possible by the tireless efforts across our global organisation to harness SHOWA's manufacturing, research and development and safety capabilities. We've built centres of excellence that integrate our biodegradable technology into all product categories to reduce impact on our environment. We've expanded manufacturing in Guatemala and Vietnam for our neoprene and nitrile unsupported gloves, and in Fayette, Alabama for our single-use nitrile. With this foundation in place, SHOWA can move more quickly to develop and launch more product lines, including 6 new chemical-resistant gloves that we are now bringing to market as part of our new Chemrest series. It starts by simplifying what is often a very complex process, by offering safety professionals easy access to up-to-date knowledge, expertise and tools. There are more than 350,000 chemicals and chemical mixtures registered for commercial production and use across the globe. Now that's a lot to keep track of, we know, but with Chemrest platform you don't have to, as Chemrest offers essential guidance on topics such as chemical resistant norms, chemical permeation data, by glove or chemical cast number. Our glove experts will then go on and evaluate customers' risks and specific needs, and then test their existing glove against chemical hazards they may encounter. Now with that knowledge in hand, customers can make better and more informed decisions. We made it easy to get started by displaying all Chemrest on the SHOWA website. You can now download our marketing assets for education, ask for evaluation free trial with our experts, look at our product range, as all our chemical protective gloves from single use, nitrile to neoprene, Viton or butyl are available under one brand and accessible through one platform. For us, chemical risks don't stop at the surface, and SHOWA never stops in our commitment to delivering the industry's best hand protection.